In a world where computers are gradually replacing human labor, knowledge on ICT is pivotal. We are living in times where robots could be used to evacuate people in climate-related disasters such as floods and landslides.
My name is Kumsime David Eddy, a student in Form 1 West at St. Kizito High School, Namugongo. We decided to come up with a project known as a humanoid or a simple robot. We came up with the idea of making this project by watching various examples of films, channels that provided us with information on how to make it. We started by making the cuttings. We came up with the movement parts. Those are the movement parts which are provided by the motors. Then after, we decided to cut the boxes, the parts that we had labeled. Then after, we started joining the parts. Just due to time, we made something simple, but it was going to be very good with 2 legs, but now we made it with 1 leg. So this simple robot of ours can move. It is controlled by a remote and has a sensor inside. So when I press the front button, it moves. When I press behind, it comes behind. And then when I also want to turn, I can also turn. The problem I'm trying to solve with my simple robot is that in offices, it can be used to deliver information. This simple robot of ours can deliver it. And in a new curriculum, children have to be creative. For example, in ICT. In ICT, we have to come up with projects. After every topic, we come up with a project. So as with the ICT students, we decided to come up with a simple mini robot, which can be used for various activities.
The biometrics are used in documentation, record management, and trade transactions related to agriculture and energy products.
Right now, we are going to work on a project that will record the attendance system by fingerprint. At first, I will first mention our components. This is a fingerprint sensor that will capture our fingerprint data. Then we have our development board. It's used for many purposes. But right now, we are going to module it for the fingerprint so that it attends the data for our students. And right here, we are going to use a program called the Arduino development program. First, register our fingerprint, and I'm going to give a unique number. Let's say 5 is a unique number that I'm going to give, and I'm going to enroll. I'm going to remove the finger, place it again, and it has been stored. So I'll come back and see whether our board can remember my fingerprint. It's going to wait for a valid fingerprint. So I'll place my fingerprint that I enrolled last time to see whether it remembers it. And here it remembers.
The knowledge of ICT as well helps in designing housing and land use patterns. With technology turning to a norm, ICT must surely be a requirement.